way to the city so we can get litty again. You know what happens when I get to drinking with all of my friends. I get so drunk that I don't know how I'm gonna drive. But that's okay, cause it's...
Alright, so today I have a mini TKB trading haul for you today. First, it comes with a list of all the items that you ordered. I'm not going to show too much because my address is on it, but it comes like this, just nicely packaged. So first I have some makeup powders. I have a highlight red. It looks white right now, but once I mix it, I guess it'll turn red. I never used it before. Then I have a Scarlet O'Hara. It's like a dark pink. I like it, it's pretty. I have a Winter Rose. This is my favorite one. It's like a pink. I have an Apple Blossom. I like that one too. It's like a pink. As you can see, I like pink lip glosses and lipsticks. I have a highlight blue too. It's like the red one. You can't really see the blue, but it has like a blue glare. I guess when you mix it, it'll turn blue. I have a black because I like edgy lipstick. Okay, so now for the second package, I just have some sample items. I have a mixed berry flavoring oil. Let's smell it. Smells a lot like the strawberry. I'm just gonna put it on my skin and see. Yeah, it smells like the strawberry. Then I have a honeysuckle. I'm gonna smell that one also. I like the smell of that one. It smells like flowers. I like the smell of flowers. Then I also have this is a red lip liquid in color red number 30. I have a sample refined shea butter. It just comes in this little bottle. And I also have a lip balm base. And last but not least, I have a sweet almond oil.